Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm just going to show you a method where you cannot say that you can't earn money online. Okay, this is a place where I started earning money online. I'm talking in the range of $10, $20, $30. This is with YouTube. Okay, I'm going to show you a way how you can make money with YouTube, but without doing videos, without nothing to do with video editing or nothing to do copy pasting videos, nothing like that sort, but still to do with YouTube. Okay, that's the reason I'm just saying you're going to make money with YouTube, but without doing like editing, without doing videos, or without doing anything that sort, but still to do with YouTube. Okay, so just wait till end of the video as well. I'm also going to give you a hack where I got my first 1,000 views. Okay, this is like a place where I used to get 1,000 views straight away. Okay, so you can also get that 1,000 views without depending on anybody. I'll just show you a place where you can get that 1,000 views if we can wait till end of the video. But now let's jump on to the video. So this is my channel. In case if you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified with all the videos which I do. I'm all about, you can see this is all about make money online videos and review videos. This is what I do. I'm sure everything will benefit you in some way or other if you're looking to make money online. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you what is the idea about today's thing. Okay, let me show you. I have informed this before in other videos. I'm not sure whether you know it or not. Just give you a hint what's it all about. See this. This is a place called SEO Clerk. So what is this? If you see this, come here. What people are looking for and what they are doing. These are all called gigs. Okay, these are like I've shown you before with Fiverr also. Just to give you an idea of what you can really do with these things. You can see this. I came in, I typed YouTube. You can see this. What they're giving, get instant organic 1,000 to 1,300 views for $2. Okay, $2. And then you can see YouTube campaign package is giving you 2,000 views for $3. They're giving you this is a lot. Okay, 15,000, that's a lot to start with. You can see 1,000 views for $2. This is a place where you can get literally very, very, very cheap views, likes and subscribers. Okay, I'm not telling, okay, this is like some people might say that I don't want to go in this route. Okay, when your channel is new, not just for you, you can see YouTube is the second largest search engine. It's part of the Google, right? Many people started doing YouTube and they are struggling to get views, struggling to get likes, comments. Reason is because they start a channel today and they expect everything to happen. It doesn't happen like that. It does take time. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, at least 6 months down the line. Only then YouTube recognizes after like 34 or 35 videos. That is a hack actually. So that is a limit. They always say a new channel should have 35 videos or so. Then only YouTube start recommending them to the others. So people, in order to get that small boost when they initially start the videos, you need to get these views. So that's the reason we have like YouTube places like this. People do come and they are ready to buy. They're ready to spend that money in order to get that views and likes and comments, so that the YouTube algorithm is like kind of, you're basically trying to tell the YouTube saying that this is a video people are liking, so that it will recommend to others. That's the reason people want to give this extra boost, so that people start noticing it and then other people start watching it, other people start liking it. That's the whole concept of it. So in order to do this, it's so simple. You come and join these websites, SEO Clerk, and start doing such gigs. But you might ask me, how am I going to do the views, right? That's where I'm going to help you with this. Coming up and setting up SEO Clerk, it's not a big deal. Just come and sign up. It's another part of the video where you can just come in and do it. Okay, if you want, I'll do a separate video on this. Completely to do with YouTube. See, in case if you come in and you started these gigs, okay, see this guy. He has 785 gigs he has done for $2 each. Imagine $2 each. Just give you a hint how people are crazily coming and getting these kind of jobs. They are ready to spend money and they are ready to get this, buying these jobs. Imagine this 1,532, 976 jobs she has done, 99% rating. That's basically the rating what you get. 929 jobs, $1, $2. This is the cheapest place you can get. I'm telling you, roughly giving you an idea. So this is a place I showed you now where you can get the cheapest kind of weaves. Okay, this is one place. Now I'm going to show you a way where, let me show you a website. This, I'm not sure you might have heard about this. This is a website called True Lancer. You might have heard about Freelancer. I have done a video on that. This is called True Lancer. Just see this. Just came in here. I just searched YouTube and just see what they are getting for YouTube for 2,000 views. And their people are ready to pay $12. Imagine, it's not $2. They are ready to pay $12 just for that same 2,000 views which I showed you in SEO Clerk. See, in the SEO Clerk, they are getting this 1,000 to 2,000 views. You can see the 2,000 views for $2 to $3. And these people, if you see, come to Conquer, not Conquer, this is where did I show you? True Lancer. I'll come back to this one. True Lancer, they are ready to pay $12 and they have already done 34 gigs. Just imagine if you just go 1,000, this is backlinks, okay? I'm just showing you only YouTube views. Let me show you YouTube. This is a YouTube job actually. You can also do this also. This same job, you can do it on SEO Clerk as well. So the idea, what I'm trying to tell is, I'm sure you got the idea, right? You basically open accounts in SEO Clerk as well as True Lancer. What you do, you buy gigs from here. You buy gigs from here for $2 and go and sell it in this place, which is True Lancer. Similarly, you can also do such things. Let me show you. That is what I was showing you. Conquer. Come here. You see here 6,000 plus YouTube views for $23. Can't you not get this for $10, maximum $6? From where? From SEO Clerk. Buy it. Come and sell it in Conquer. It's easy money, guys. Only thing is hard work. Look, it looks so easy on the on the paper, but you need to work. You need to come every day. Go open accounts. If you ask me how to open an account, just go and open this one and see what is the way. You see the image, how to do this one. Just go and do it in canva.com. It's a free site, and copy the same thing, headlines. Might be the photos, don't copy it. Photos, try to change it. Rather than 6,000, put it like 7,000. Put like 4,000 or 5,000. And he's charging you he's charging $23, charge $20. You can get the same amount of views for, buy it, come from SEO, buy SEO Clerks, buy it for $10, go and sell it for $10, $20. Easy $20, guys. I'm telling you, this is a place where I used to sell Twitter accounts. I used to sell expired Twitter accounts. I've said this in many videos. I'm telling you, this is still, it happens. I'm telling you only on YouTube because I'm more into YouTube, so I'm giving you ideas on YouTube. That's the reason. I'm just showing you on YouTube views. Same thing happens with YouTube subs, YouTube likes, as well as YouTube comments. I don't tell everything like in the video of everything, but you get the idea, right? I'm just showing you SEO Clerk, where you buy YouTube views, go and sell it in Conquer, go and sell it in True Lancer, and don't even think how to do. You come here, see this guy is selling 250 YouTube subscribers for $16. Easily you can get this. Might be, not 16, might be $10 you can get. Subs are a little extra expensive. You can come and sell it for $16. Okay, that's possible as well. But I'm showing you now for YouTube views alone. Just imagine, go to Fiverr. There's other website which I showed you many times. They will written as YouTube video promotion. They will not put as YouTube views because nowadays they have started penalizing those gigs, which is saying views and stuff. So you need to say it as YouTube video promotion, and then when they talk to you, you can say, you can give you views. Okay, that's the reason I'm not telling you. They have Fiverr, I'm not recommending straight away. Reason is it's so much competition and people have stopped doing that jobs, gigs, that is for YouTube views. The reason is Fiverr is a little bit strict on this now. That's the reason I'm showing you this Freelancer, SEO Clerk and Conquer for such jobs. Okay, so this I showed you only for views. You can do the same thing for likes, comments and subs. Okay, let me show you some more what all you can gigs. You can, just to give an idea. YouTube embeds are extra things which I don't want to show you now. Reason is I'm trying to show you something easier. You come in, sign up in all these networks, and you don't need to pay anything, no need to charge anything. Only when you like if it is $25 or something, when you get this job, when you do the job, they might charge you $1 or $2 or so. That's something, that is what they benefit. That is what they take from you. So that's not a big amount. But this site is a place, it's a secret site actually. Many people use, I have also used it before when I started. When you are a newbie, when you are a beginner YouTube channel, you want some boost. That's the reason you do it. You can't do this for every time. Once that YouTube algorithm kicks in like after like 6 months, 1 year. You don't need to bother about this. You will get automatic views, you will get automatic recommendation, then you are good to go. But when you're starting a new channel, I have used it, you can also use it, but I'm just giving an idea. But this is what you have to do. This is the reason people are coming and buying such places. Okay, that's the reason I'm telling you. One more thing, in case if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, you can use it. That's one thing. Like, the reason why I'm showing is people who say I want to make money but I don't know how to do it. Is not easy, guys. It is hard work. You need to like spend every day 2 hours, 3 hours, come do such gigs, open like this, see this, which is the one which is performing well. This is a guy seems to be performing well. Copy it. I mean, it's a copy in the sense, try to do similarly, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Do the same kind of similar kind of image, similar kind of image, but try to give a price. Since you are a newbie, don't try to charge more. If he's charging $20, you try to charge like $18 or $15. The profit on when you do initially, it might be less, but still you're going to make money. Okay, so that's the reason I'm telling you. Okay, this is the idea, guys. So what the idea behind today is, you can start making money with YouTube views, likes, comments and subs. For like, what I'm trying to say is, we call it as arbitrage. You buy from some place and going to sell it, and you are going to do this only after you're going to get the money. Basically, when you posted a gig here, once you get an order, you will be notified and you will be getting you can't take it out. You will get $20 after you finish the job. Then that will be released to you. Okay, that is how it is. So once you get the job, only then you're going to go to Freelancer or Truelancer and you're going to order from them. They normally look for the people who normally they will give it within 24 hours or something, and then you buy from here and sell it there. So this is, guys, literally a easy way to make money. But when I say easy, it is not easy in a sense. I mean, it does require hard work. It will take 3 months, 6 months. Stick to it. Go there every day. Don't just put one gig and then wait whether the job will come. It will not happen. Try to put different names: YouTube Weaves, YouTube Promotion, YouTube SEO. Try to create like 5 to 6 gigs with different prices. But in the description, you come in, you see this guy, what description they are putting. Just literally copy it. When I say copy it, just do some changes, but you get the idea. Come here. I will do best YouTube comment promotion. 1,500. Just this guy is giving literally a very good package. Literally copy this gig. Go to for $3, guys. $3. Copy this exact gig. Go to Conquer. Put this for $13 or $20. You will make money. Easy money, guys. I'm telling you. When I say this, the people get it wrongly. When I say easy, it is hard work, but okay, it will take time. It's not straight away, quickly. You're not gonna get. You need to do all kind of hard work in order to get that job. Once you get that 1, 2, 3 gigs coming in, then you will become an expert, and then you will never ever leave this place. You want to make more and more money. I'm telling you, guys, this is where I started. If you see, I don't want to show everything what I did, but these are all the gigs I did inside. This is a place I used to make money when I started, but still it is really active community and people are making money from this. Okay, if you are still watching still now, I promised you that I'm going to show you a place where you can get 1,000 views. Okay, here we go. This is the website. Here we go. It's called QQTube. Okay, QQTube, the #1 YouTube views supplier. Like this, I know lots and lots of YouTube views suppliers where I have bought views before. As I said, not just me, all the top marketers you see, even today, if you go and watch any of the top marketers, like make money online niche, as soon as they do a video, you will see at least 30 to 40 comments automatically coming in. It will look like a robotic comments. You know why? That's a hack. It's an algorithm hack for YouTube, saying that people are liking my video, they are commenting. That basically, once you publish a video, within 24 hours to 48 hours, you do all these kind of dirty tricks in order to boost that video. This is basically, you're beating the YouTube algorithm. Okay, that's the truth. So whether you like it or not, even still today, many people do. I don't do. But what I'm saying is, when you are a YouTube channel, when you are a new beginner, you have to do such things in order to kickstart that YouTube journey. You need to do all these things. Okay, this is the place. Come and sign up. You're gonna get this 1,000 YouTube views for free. That is just for signing up. So it's free. It's many people don't know this one. You can easily come and get it. And this is the place, if you want, I'm going to show you. If you want, if you have money, come and buy it here. This is 1000 views for 280. It is really cheap, not bad. But I also showed you a cheaper place than this, which is SEO Clerk. Why is this hang? SEO Clerk, where you come and buy cheaper than that. I think you're going to get for $2 or $1. Buy it from here cheaper than QQTube. But what I'm saying is, it might hurt your YouTube channel, of course. In a way, reason is when you're a newbie, when you're a beginner, when you buy such things, it will hurt. Okay, I'm not telling it will not hurt. It's all up to how you're going to manage this one. People think, one way it will help. Of course, it will help, but it will also hurt. So it is a disclaimer. It is completely on your risk. You're doing all this, okay? But what here about this video is not about that ethical talking. I'm here trying to tell you people are making money even by selling views, which I'm telling you as well, which if you want at your own risk, you can start doing. But selling the gigs is not going to hurt you. You're going to only make money. But as a channel, you might have some problems and stuff, but it's not going to get banned. That's not going to happen. I'm sure it's not that serious. But it will hurt your ranking in the sense. But overall, what I'm trying to say is, if you're going to be continuously doing videos, continuously pushing your videos, then it should not be okay. That it should be okay. When you're having only one video, two videos, and we're trying to do so many things on that video, that is where it will hurt. When they say is, when you want to send such views, try to send the views across 7 days or 10 days or 1 month. Don't pump out like doing only one video on a new channel, and if you're going to send 5,000 views and 5,000 subscribers, of course you're going to get banned straight away. It clearly shows that you're doing something wrong. So try to, what they say is like, act like normally. Try to send views like, only 50 views, 100 views per day. Don't send like 5,000, 10,000 views in a day, and then it is easily noticeable by YouTube, and then you're going to get banned for sure, okay, or closed your account. That's it guys. I mean, I don't want to drag the video. The idea behind it is how to make like $10, $20, $30 for each gig easily, guys. I don't want to use the word easy. The reason is people get carried away. I don't want you to get carried away. It is hard work, but you will see results with this, because people are literally every day, so many guys are starting YouTube channels, and they are looking for YouTube, how to make money online, and how to get YouTube ranking, how to get views, how to get likes. You go and search in Google and YouTube how many people are searching for such keywords, and I'm sure you will have a good chance to get some sales out of it. That's it guys. That's all about today's video, how to make money. If you got any benefit out of it, make sure you like and comment and subscribe. It will help my YouTube channel to grow as well. That's it guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.